Alright, in this video we're talking about contour line drawing, and this is our 6th grade assignment. We've practiced the contour line drawing now for a couple of days, and the next thing we did is we chose one object, and we're going to repeat that object at least 4 times on the paper. So you can see my object is just a simple pair of scissors. And I started with this contour line drawing as my first one, and I've told my students you need to enlarge this at least 4 times. So that's pretty close to 4 times. The second one that we did is we rotated the paper 90 degrees, and then it had to be so large, the same object had to be so large that it ran off at least 2 sides of the paper. So it's running off here and it's running off here. So for the next one, it can be, again, 2 or more sizes larger than the actual object, but we're going to rotate the paper again, and overlapping is just fine. But the one big requirement for all of these drawings is that it is a contour line drawing, showing not only the edge but the details, and you're not picking up your pencil. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. As I'm drawing this, I'm going to go ahead and start with, somewhere where I have a little bit of open space. And I do have some open space here, but I also have some here. I also know that I'm going to rotate my paper one more time. So I think I'm going to go ahead and probably place this one going this way. So when I start this, and I'm going to move my camera back just a little bit here. When I start this, I'm going to start on close to or on the edge of the paper, and once I put my pencil down, I'm not going to pick it up, and so I'm going to start basically on the inside part of the scissors here. And as I'm going along, I'm looking for all the details, like the little notch right here. And again, it runs off the paper. I just imagine that, okay, it's running off, and it's going to come back on about here. I need to show the inside of the scissors, or where your fingers would go, so I keep going with that. And again, you notice I did not stop and pick up my pencil per se. Alright, so that's the yellow part. Now I'm going to continue with the silver blades of the scissors. Alright, and that is my 3rd drawing. The 4th drawing, I'm going to go ahead and pause the video, but my 4th drawing is going to be somewhere on this side, and I may even try and get it so it's so big it goes all the way over there, or I may do a 5th drawing of the scissors. So you can do up to 5 drawings, but I'm going to go ahead and pause this and do my last one. Alright, when I stop this video, this is the one that I was beginning to draw. And when I got done, I noticed I had quite a big space here, even bigger than this empty space. So I rotated my paper one more time and did a drawing right here. This is the first part of our contour line drawing with one object.